North American indigenous culture, you would have something like smudging, which is the use of various herbs such as sage, burning them to produce a um, good like smell. And traditionally it was thought of as warding off evil spirits, but I know some indigenous Catholics who actually use smudging as a form of sacramental, and Pope John Paul II actually spoke positively of that practice.
Ceremony. Earlier at the beginning of the presentation, you mentioned smudging ceremonies used in Catholicism.
Uh-huh.
Effectively, is this the idea that you could take this ceremony, remove all of the elements of idolatry from it, and then use it for the Christian faith? Is that what you've done?
Yes. So actually, this is I don't know how much of this gets discussed in the USA, but in Canada, in the Canadian Catholic context, we're much more conscious of Indigenous culture.
Mhm.
And we have a large, thriving Indigenous Catholic population here. And it's generally accepted amongst Indigenous Catholics
Mhm.
that you can take practices like smudging and appropriate it for use in Christian worship. Now, I have not personally been to a smudging ceremony, so most of my knowledge of this practice comes secondhand. But as far as I know, this really isn't a controversy here.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. God bless.